Learn how to greet someone in simple English. Every new conversation starts with a greeting. It can be a face-to-face conversation or a telephonic conversation. Greeting is an expression which has to be used first when you meet someone or speak with someone on the telephone. While greeting someone, it is important that you should use appropriate level of formality depending on different types of situations. In this video, we will share some common and easy phrases that will help you to greet someone in simple English and in both formal and informal manners. Formal greetings. Formal greetings are mostly part of business or professional meetings. Therefore, expressions used for formal greetings should be more polite rather than casual. Here are some common expressions that can be used for formal greetings. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Can you tell me your name, please? I'm glad to see you. I'm happy to see you. I'm pleased to meet you. How have you been? How do you do? Good to see you again. Nice to see you again. Let us learn through a conversation how one can formally greet someone in simple English. Conversation: greeting your colleague in the morning. Good morning. It's a lovely day. Good morning. Yes, it's raining today. How are you doing? I'm doing well. What about you? Today is going to be a busy day for me. Why do you have some extra work? Yes, I have to prepare a presentation that needs to be submitted tomorrow. Can I help you in some way? That will be great, but I hope this will not affect your work. Not at all. I'm a little free today. Thank you. You're so helpful. Informal greetings. Informal greetings are mostly part of casual conversations with friends and family. Here are some common expressions that can be used for informal greetings. Hello or hi. How's it going? How are you doing? What's up? What's new? What's going on? How's everything? How are things? How's life? How's your day? How's your day going? Long time no see? It's been a while. Let us learn through a conversation how one can casually greet someone in simple English. Conversation: meeting a friend at cafe. Hi, how are you? I'm fine. You tell? It's been long we met. Yes, it's been 2 months now. What would you like to have? I will have cold coffee. It's too hot outside. I know, difficult to move out. I like the ambience of this cafe. The music is good too. Remember, we used to come here in our college days. Yes, I have really good memories of those days. We should meet more often. Therefore, greeting someone nicely in good English can make a lasting impression. Mantra is to be confident in your conversations and don't hesitate to greet people in English. If you found this information on Learn How to Greet Someone in Simple English useful, then do visit www.jagranjosh.com for more such videos on Learn English.